Assalamu alaikum. I am Sojib Ahmed. Today we are going to show our project. Our project is an online blog site. It developed using Laravel framework, PHP language, and database MySQL. Here are all the members including our group leader. Now our group leader Majeda will describe whole project. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I will share details about my blog project developed in the Laravel framework with a MySQL database. This project user can read blog posts, create personal account and share their own content. This is my front end part and this is my blog homepage. When the admin posts, it will be visible here. The homepage will display only blog summaries. If a user wants to read a full blog, they can click on any post, then a feature like this will be shown. All posts by admin and users will appear on single post page. And this is category section, about, and contact. This is user sign up from here. User can sign up for their accounts here. After signing, they will create a profile. Here this. And user can post from here. And if the user wishes to sign out of their accounts, they will click here. It will log out them. And this is my admin panel here. Admin will manage their blog site. And this is the category field. Admin can create a categories from here. It will appear in the category management section. Once a category is created, admin can edit, delete, or inactive categories from here. And this is blog section. It's the blog from. When the admin submit a blog, it will be added manage blog. Admin can edit, delete, or inactive their post. And this is admin profile. When admin can log out their account, clicking on logout and log out successfully. And this is my blog database. This is blog database. It store all data from send the blog. Data will be added here. And this is user data. And this concludes my coding section. This is web.php. I have created all the routes. The front-end file are organized in front-end folder. And while the admin panel files are in the admin folder. And assets for both the admin and front-end are stored in the public folder. And they are essential controller for the blog project. And these are models. And lastly, these are my migration files. Shaping the database structure. In conclusion, I am proud to present the Laravel-based blog project I have worked on. This project reflects my dedication to creating a dynamic and user-friendly blogging platform. Thank you for your attention.